Kisumu gin mago madhi nyime odiochieng' makiny pod obedo gi lipot mawuok e gwengego. Ka odhi nyime jatend migawo matuke Ababu Namwamba jiwo oganda mondo orit chike mag apaya e kinde ma gibiro molo ne piem mag nyamburko safari rally mibiro bage pacho ka. Ababu mane loso tok romo mano bagi kod jofwambo ewi arita kwe mar johera mag piem mag nyamburko wacho ni gisetwak kod apisas mag obila kod jochiw arita kwe kendo keto chenro makare.
We want a secure event, but we also want Kenyans to have fun. So even as we introduce these measures, we don't want to take the fun out of the rally. The rally is a fun moment, and it is a beautiful, blessed season of Easter. So we want Kenyans to enjoy Easter and also enjoy the rally. The measures we are announcing here are not designed to restrict your enjoyment of this season, this blessed, beautiful season. Is to make it more secure for you and to enhance your experience, to make it a better experience.
What you are asking the members of the public, plan your itinerary as early as possible so that we don't cause that commotion that we are seeing each and every time that you have this kind of festive period and this type of event that you are going to have in the next 7 days. Otherwise, with that, I think you are assured with your safety and your security. Thank you.
John To mawuok Narok e jaloch mar